say we're looking at a perfectly competitive market, and there is technological boost. Technology has become better. Well, this technology can lead to a substantial reduction in costs of production. Okay, we say that it's a technology that made our production a lot more efficient, a lot less costly. How is that going to affect the market? We'll see the effects in terms of, again, the point of a firm is to make sure that they get all the consumers, kind of like the game of Monopoly. They want to make sure that the last person standing in the market and that they're getting all the customers. So if my production costs go down, I can decrease my price so the consumers come and buy my good instead of everyone else's good, right? And we talked about firms being price takers. Well, everyone else is going to have the same idea. Everyone else is going to decrease their prices. So if everyone decreases their prices, we're going to have a reduction in the equilibrium price of the market. Now, another way to look at this is, as we have done earlier in our videos and earlier in the textbook, is to look at a supply and demand graph. Right? Let's go back to the basics. We have a demand curve and we have a supply curve for this good, and we can assume any arbitrary good. Well, the boost in technology is to make it easier to manufacture these products, right? Which means it's going to increase the supply of this good. And this is going to lead to a decrease in price, right? So that's kind of how the mechanics work behind it. Lower production cost, I can lower my price, everyone else will do the same thing, production decreases.